Welcome to today's Target Tip of the Day. We're going to look into how you can optimize your slideshows using layouts in Target. To be sure we're on the same page, a slideshow in Target is a feature that allows you to reflect live data, typically on a flat panel, and typically you're going to show a few dashboards. So I got 3 dashboards lined up for a slideshow. Here's the sales overview, a general overview of our sales. Here's a more geographical overview of the sales. And finally, we have some HR data, some absence and the like that we'd like to show on a flat panel. So this is all ready, but there's one thing that bothers me a little bit. That is the navigation part, because these are menus in Target, and they're of course really useful when you navigate through dashboard. But this is going to be shown on a flat panel and no one's going to be able to navigate. So I want to get rid of those without ruining my dashboards. So I'm going to use layouts. And layouts allow you to make different versions of a dashboard. So let's start with the sales overview dashboard. We're going to duplicate the current layout. We're going to rename it and call it slideshow version. And the slideshow version, we're going to choose the top menu and remove it, and the sub menu also remove it. And then we can just click save on this. Then let's go to the countries dashboard and do the same. Duplicate the layout, rename it, call it slideshow version, like that, and remove the menu part. And save, and finally the HR overview, same treatment. So what you do now is you make actually alternative versions of a dashboard. And in my case, I'm going to use it for the slideshow. What they also are used for, these layouts, is of course mobile versions, tablet versions and such of dashboards. But for my purpose, I'm just going to make slideshow versions. So now I've been through all those dashboards, I'm ready to make my slideshow. Let's pick yet another tab and click the new button and create a slideshow. So what I'm going to do now is show an ad hoc slideshow. You're also able to actually do scheduled publishing of these slideshows, but I'm just going to show the ad hoc version for now. So this slideshow should consist of 3 dashboards, my sales overview, specifically the version called slideshow version, and let it run for 5 seconds. And then the countries dashboard, specifically the slideshow version, let it run for 5 seconds. And finally the HR overview, the same treatments, the slideshow version and 5 seconds. I'll just click OK now. I've actually done my slideshow now. And let's test it. Let's try and run the slideshow. So here's my first sales overview dashboard without the menus. And after 5 seconds we get to the countries, still no menus. Then we look at the HR dashboard with no menus, and now we're looping. We're coming back to the first dashboard again, and it will run forever or until I type escape. That concludes today's tip about how to use layouts to optimize your slideshows in Target. Remember to sign up for our YouTube channel and stay safe.